If you want to make your own all-purpose seasoning mix, you are in luck. This recipe is simple and easy to make and delicious too. Hi, I'm Shelly from Frugal Family Home, where I create quick tutorials to help build your cooking and baking confidence. And today I want to help you make your own all-purpose seasoning mix so you can skip the store-bought stuff and all the additives that they like to put in them. So let's get started and I'll show you how easy it is to make. This is what you'll need to make your all-purpose seasoning mix. You'll need some salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, parsley, oregano, and thyme, and a jar with a lid to store it in. First, we'll add our salt and pepper, then our garlic powder, our onion powder, our paprika, and finally, we're going to add our parsley, oregano, and basil. Now we have them in the bowl. We're just going to use a whisk and just whisk it till it's well mixed. Now we're going to place it into our storage container. So that is how easy it is to make your own all-purpose seasoning mix. And if you want the printable recipe, look for the link in the description. If you don't subscribe yet, I'd love to have you subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.